Since then, people will pass by and the gates will say, oh, it's unbelievable. Okay, what's your name? Shabiha, guys. Once Shabiha was on the way to suicide. She met one of her classmates and her classmate asked her, Shabiha, where are you going? I'm going to suicide. Okay, okay. Well, why are you wearing a lot of makeup? She says, stupid. Tomorrow my picture will be in the newspaper. Anyway guys, listen please here. Look, it's the vocabulary time. Vocabulary. The last time I taught you guys 12 to 15 situations guys. Am I clear? Got it? Now guys, new vocabulary guys, right? Now get your copy and pen ready quickly guys. Come on please. What do you call in English? Now, what do you call in English? No idea? You see? Oh, come on, it's very easy. I will do it in snap. In a snap. In a snap. Snap your fingers. Come on. What do you call it? Snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. And guys, what I'm doing now, look. Sir, you're cracking your knuckles. You're cracking your knuckles. Hey, don't crack your knuckles across them. Oh, sorry. What are you saying? Crack your knuckles. Come on. Crack your knuckles. His position is called knuckle, guys, right? Where the space is called knuckle. Clear? Got it? Clear? Yes. What do you call this guy in English?
Blowing your nose.
You know, guys, when you have cold, you just sniffle. My son was doing that. This is called sniffle. Hey, go and blow your nose. Come on. Go in. Blow your nose. Go in. Blow your. You can't teach guys Vadu to any foreigner. How can you teach guys a foreigner Vadu guys? Put some water and blow your nose. And what do you call this guy in English language?
Don't pick your nose.
Very nice. Pick your nose. Come on. Pick your. Hey, don't you pick your nose, right? Pick your nose. Come on.
Pick your nose.
And what do you call the stuff you find inside?
Mucus.
No. Don't stop right here, guys, right? We have three things. Sputum, breathe substance which you cough up guys from your lungs. It is called phlegm or sputum, guys, right? When you have a cold and blue substance, yellowish substance comes in the nose and it's called mucus. And then it's called boogie. What do you call it?
Boogie.
Okay, sometimes you have a boogie here, you say, hey, pick your boogie, buddy. Where? On the right side? Pick your boogie. Pick your boogie. Clear?
Yes.
Pick your boogie. Got it? In English. Give me high five. Give me? Come on. Give me. In spoken language, when I draw this high, say, give me high five. Give me? High five. Give me high five. Give me? High five. There? Anyway, guys, listen to easier. Now we'll start, guys, a very interesting vocabulary. First is fun. B, I will teach you all common diseases. Common? Now we see how to say common disease, which you can't say in English, guys. But yeah? Ready? What is the American way, guys? How American people say and how British people say, guys, about the disease, Listen to this here. Let me finish first. Got any question? I'd love to answer your question guys first, yeah? Let me finish first guys, right? Very American people say I have. And British people say I've got. What's the difference? Whenever American talk about any disease say I have. British people say I've got. I've got. Come on. I've got. Come on. Hey guys, listen. अगर आपका नाक बह रहा है, how would you say doctor? सर मेरा नाक बह रहा है सर. Come on. How say sir? Americans say sir, I have a running nose. I have a
running nose.
British people say I've got a running. Repeat the word, guys. Repeat after me. I have a running nose. Come on.
I have a running nose.
A running nose. Come on. Come on. I have a
Running nose.
running nose. I have a.
Running nose.
अगर आपका नाक बंद हो गया, क्या हुआ? नाक बंद हो गया यार. In many ways, but common way is what? My God, Papa, I see yes. Papa, I have a stuffy nose. I have a. I've got a stuffy nose, guys, right? No, I mean in detail we talk about guys all diseases guys correctly. I have a stuffy nose. I have a.
Stuffing.
What does stuff mean? Well, stuff means to fill. To fill. Guys, after you finish your meal right now, when you're full, because I am full.
I'm stuffed.
Okay. No, thank you. I'm stuffed. I am.
Stuffed.
I say I am. So guys, any modern English dictionary, guys, Oxford, Longman, Webster. When you look up this word in the dictionary, listen. They are written above the T. They are written T. Like this. You can check, guys, in Oxford dictionary, guys. You are confused here. What is T here? Listen. They say write D, but D is pronounced T. I am stuffed, not I'm stuffed. It's a long story of phonetics. If I teach you phonetics, I will teach guys why they pronounce T. I am stuffed. Come on.
I am stuffed.
No, thank you. I am stuffed. I am. I'm stuffed. I am. Stuffed. Is it clear?
Yes.
I am. Stuffed. आप सुबह उठते हैं क्या हुआ? Oh sir, गर्दन में दर्द पड़ गया sir. Yeah, you can't say in English, right? What do you call this? मतलब क्या खींच जाना guys? उर्दू में बोलते हैं बंद पड़ गया guys, right? Come on. I have a stiff neck. I have a stiff neck. Come on, I have a
Stiff neck.
You might have seen guys, you're working while binding yourself like this. And afterwards, oh, wait, I have a stiff back. I have a stiff. In examination hall guys, continuously guys write for about 3 hours. Finish, oh God. I have stiff shoulders. I have, there, guys, I have stiff shoulders, I have stiff neck, I have stiff back. Is left? Left?
Yes, sir.
Stop! अचानक की मसले ये जगह क्या है? पंजाब में क्या क्रैम्प पड़ गया guys? Cramp. What do you call this? Cramp. Oh, I got a cramp. I got a cramp. C-R-A-M-P. Cramp. Come on.
P is silent in cramp.
Usually cramp.
Cramp.
What do you call it?
Cramp.
Cramp. I got a cramp. I have a cramp. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Very usually in sports news, you find guys, you listen to guys, a very common word, hamstring. A very common word is hamstring. You know hamstring? What is ham mean? Ham. Any idea about ham? Hamstring. Look, you run, उसको बोलते हैं ham. इसके नीचे वाले मसल जो है बड़े टाइट होते हैं, फिर जाए कब इसका चलते क्या होगा? Here I have a hamstring. I have a. So usually cricketers, hockey players, footballers, they have hamstring. They have hamstring, correct? Right? What do you call it? So you must know the difference among these guys' ways: stiff neck, cramp, and hamstring, correct? There. Got it? Condition before vomit is called what? It is called nausea, guys, right there. Condition before vomit is called nausea, guys, right? Guys, listen. तबीयत का खराब होने के लिए nausea. I have a nausea. I've got a nausea, guys, right? I have a nausea or I've got a nausea, guys, right? Excuse me, guys. On the way back from Naran, guys, listen. I said, Papa, stop the car. Papa, I have a nausea. I have a. Now he was trying to vomit, guys. Like, ah! I asked my wife, is he vomiting? I mean, no, he's just gagging. He just. If nothing comes out from your mouth, guys, and you're trying to vomit, ah! Nothing is coming, right? What do you call it? Gag. Right? This is the difference between vomit and gag, right there. What do you call it? Gag. Come on, guys, what do you call it? Gag, right? As easy vomiting. No, only just gagging right there. And this? Gagging. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Can I move?
Yes.
So we'll talk about in detail, guys, everything. What do you go? What happens? So I'm feeling dizzy, sir. I'm feeling dizzy. Chakkar aana, guys. Yeah? What do you call it? Come on.
I'm feeling.
Repeat after me, guys, 4 or 5 times.
I'm feeling
Dizzy. Come on, I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling
dizzy.
You can wash your guys.
He's unconscious.
But English word is unconscious. You can say he's fainted. He is. Or she is fainted. She is fainted. She is fainted or he is fainted. Right? Unconscious. What's the guys right there? Got it? Blood pump कर देते हैं. No idea? My wife had, guys. Paralysis is something different, bro. Yeah? This is called, guys, facial palsy. Pronunciation, please remember. Pronunciation is facial palsy. Come on. Palsy. Come on. The word is? Because I was very poor at English. And my elder sister, she's a cosmetic surgeon. So she used to tease me, guys, rebuke me all the time, try to improve her English, very poor English. Then she got me admission, guys, in abroad. She paid all the guys' fee, my security fee as well, $20,000 American dollars, guys, at the beginning. So she arranged, guys, my classes, guys, right? Yes,